The task is to add some conditional formatting to this attendance cell so that when I enter present they go green, when I enter absent they go red, and when I enter late they go black. So what I'm going to do is first of all select the area I'm interested in. From B2 I click on B2, I then shift and click K11 to select that area. Now I'm going to go up to the top of the screen and I'm going to click on the home menu up here and then move over to the right and you'll find conditional formatting. If I click on, there's loads of options. We want the one at the bottom to add a new rule. We'll click on that, and then on this dialog box here I want to choose the second option, format only cells that contain. Notice down at the bottom here it says edit the rule description, format only cell values with cell value. I want to say if it's equal to the letter P. Down here I'm going to change the format, so I'll press the format button and a new dialog box will appear. Hopefully, there we are. And what I'm going to do on here, I'll choose various different options. Now I'm interested in the fill, that's the background colour. So it said we want the P values to green, so I'm going to choose green. Now black on green is not too easy to read, so I'm going to click on font and then change the colour for the font. It's automatic in a minute, so I'm going to and choose white. So I've got white text on a green background. If I click OK now, you'll see we'll come back. This is what it will look like if this rule applies. So if I click OK, you can see all of the cells with the letter P have gone green. What I can now do is I can click on conditional formatting, new rule, and I can add another rule that says if the cells are equal to absent, we can make them go red. And for this one, I'm going to put some white text on there, so that's nice and easy to read. There we go, there's those. And finally, we're going to add some stuff. Another rule, format cells that only contain values equal to the letter L, and these are going to go black. Now you'll notice straight away when I do this, we can't read any of the text, so we clearly need to change that. So I'm going to go into conditional formatting up here, and go down to manage rules this time. I'm going to find my rule for the late people. Here we are, I'm on the top there, and click this button in the middle that says edit rule. And what I can do in here now is I can re-click on the format button and change the font color to be white, and that will make it nice and easy to read. And that's all. Click on apply. You can see the change being applied. Click OK, and we're done.